Hey guys, it's Mark with Hallmark Pool Supplies. I get asked this question quite a bit. What is the normal or proper PSI or pressure in my filter I should be running? Well, there is no one correct answer to that because all pools and all filter systems are different and pressures are affected by several different things, just to name a few. For an example, depends on what type of filter you have, if it's sand, cartridge, DE, what is the size of the filter, how big is the pump, what size plumbing are you running? How many returns do you have? These are all things that will determine the pressure. Now, as a rule, basically when we start with a clean system and a working pressure gauge, whatever that pressure is, that's considered our start pressure. And then anytime the pressure goes about 10 PSI over that, then it lets us know it's time to clean the filter. So typical ranges on a sand filter could be 10 to 15 PSI. On a cartridge system, it can be 10 to 20 PSI. And then on a DE filter, 18 to 22 PSI. Just remember, whenever we exceed 10 pounds over the start pressure, then we know we need to clean the filter and you'll never go wrong. On a second note, if you guys run into any questions or problems or issues and you need help, the fastest way to get in contact with me is book a phone session, and there will be a link down below. At this time, I want to thank everybody for watching. I want to thank all my subscribers, and definitely remember us at Hallmark Pool Supplies for all your pool needs. My name is Mark. I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next video.